Hey guys, welcome back to Sugarbush Farms. Today we are working on that plug like you saw earlier, and I got the wrong plug, so I got the one that I was working on, which is the right plug. We're gonna go to a hardware store real quick, and hopefully we're gonna use this and get the right plug this time. And then we're gonna get lunch, and then we're gonna extract the bolt out of the Magnum because we broke one off last night when we were working on it. So yeah, let's get to it.
Well, no, because that box over there.
Let me get down next to this one. No.
Get this all cleaned up.
Alright, so it's another day. Pulled my pickup into the barn because I have some stuff for the radiator on the Magnum, because I also need to change the sway bar links on it. So it'd be nicer just to do it on concrete floor, and as you probably can hear and whatnot, it's, you know, it's not the greatest day. It's a little rainy, but you know, we're gonna let this thing drip dry, and then we'll get to work on that in a little bit. But in the meantime, I am going to put a drain plug in the ST. So as you saw earlier, we had to weld a nut onto a bolt that was broke off in this. We were working on it one night, and we were taking the bolts out because we are putting a new radiator in it, which is what's some foams in there for that. But we were taking the bolts out that hold a pan that hold the radiator in, and one of the bolts was seized enough that the head of the bolt broke off. So we welded a nut to it and came right out. That foam just goes on the outside of that radiator. I don't know if it's for vibration or insulation. Don't know why it would be insulation, because I'm trying to get rid of the heat. So the drain plug that we're putting in on the ST, it's a quick connect. So rather than getting my hands dirty, I can just attach a hose to it. You know, farming is all about not getting your hands dirty, and you know, that's what I'm here to do, is not get my hands dirty. So let's put that in. Even though this plug is tapered as well, I'm still gonna put Teflon on it. All right, there's that. And then now I thread this into my bushing. So what I'm going to do now is we are going to fill that up with oil. It takes like 9 gallons or something crazy like that. All right, hopefully the filters are filled now.
Hey guys, Chris Fix here, and today I'm going to show you how.
All right, I got the swaybar link free. Well, I did both of them, so you can see it's free. I see you later, Stinky. All right, well, we got the passenger side off. Now we're going to put the new one in. Nice and shiny. The other one was all wrinkly. And we'll shove her in there and tighten her down, and we'll do the same thing to the driver's side. That's spec. Hey, Tucker. What's spec? Well, this is convenient. The shop scooter also doubles as a tool carrier. All right, warm the Steiger back up. I'm going to check the oil one more time. Make sure that it's got all the oil filters full. I'm gonna pull my truck out of the barn because I'm done with it now. Just need to pick up the rest of this trash and throw it away. And yeah, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. I don't really know. It's kind of awkward to ask, but you know, look at the graph. You know, there's a lot of people viewing the video, but not subscribing. It's free. You know, you can always undo it if you don't want to be subscribed anymore. But yeah, thanks guys for watching, and take her easy.